Skyhawks Academy is offering Python course for complete beginners. This online course aims to teach everyone the basics of programming computers using Python. People who are interested in programming in Python 3 can contact us. No prerequisites are required. It's about 60 credit hours complete course for complete beginners. I, Ms. Fatma, doing my software engineering, will guide you about the complete course of Python for beginners. For more information and enrollment into training, contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you.